What's up guys, welcome back to Existence, a review. I'm your host Brandon, and today we are now into day 25. We're going to be eating this leftover tasty pizza for breakfast, just a slice. And I'll let you guys know how it tastes reheated. It's definitely not as good reheated as it is fresh. It's okay, but fresh is where it's really at. It's amazing fresh, and it's only decent reheated. But with some stuff, it's just like that. Yeah. But anyways, I'll see you guys around lunchtime, and yeah, see you then. We're at FAZOLI'S, guys.
Whenever you're ready.
Can I get a fettuccine alfredo and add mushrooms to it?
Alright, fettuccine alfredo and mushrooms to it.
Yeah, and then can I also get a cheese pizza?
So it's just the fettuccine alfredo with mushrooms and a whole cheese pizza.
Yeah.
Alright, well that's about the winner for you.
Alright, thank you.
Of course.
I knew that I was confused. I'm like, what's going on here? I even said, can I get a whole cheese pizza? Didn't I?
Hello, 2084.
Oh, do you have the coupon up? We got a coupon thing to scan.
Alright, it's gonna be $13.36. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you. All we had to pay for was pizza and then mushrooms. I guess it probably does take up a little bit to cook a whole pizza, huh? It's like you can cook a whole pizza quick now, can ya? It did seem kind of quick though. Let's investigate. Let's see if she's undercooked. Because I cook it so fast. I mean, I don't know. That looks pretty decent. Looks pretty well cooked. Alright, let's go home and then I'll let you know what I think about it when I get home. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like not folded well. Aha! See you guys then. When you're just really sad and you don't talk to your dad, that's amore. Okay, I'll stop. Alright, we have FAZOLI'S pizza. I haven't had FAZOLI'S pizza in like, I don't know, 10 years. It's been a long time. I was still but a wee child. And I feel like all the cheese is just sliding off towards the middle of the pizza. But there she are. There she is. Definitely floppy and cheesy. It tastes similar to what I remember, but yet different. Like it's close, but it's like not quite the same. It's not bad though. I mean, it's good. I think it might be better if the crust was a little thinner. It's kind of doughy, maybe. But it's pretty good. Not bad. I'm gonna eat it. I'll at least eat half of this. We're going to my parents tonight for dinner, so I don't know what I'm going to do for pizza because they're not eating pizza, so I don't know if I'm going to just take the leftovers of this over or if I'll take a frozen pizza over with me and cook a frozen pizza there. I really don't know. Maybe I'll eat just before I go or when I get home. Like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, so We'll see when the time comes, but I'll see you then. Alright guys, it's time for another vitals check. Weigh in. Pain of the cat. I just took a nap and I'm very tired. Here's the plan. Here's what we're gonna do. My parents are like, oh, we're having ribs for dinner. I'm like, ribs? So, I'm gonna take over some pizza stuff and put some rib on it. Bake it in their toaster oven. Rib pizza. Free content. So, that's the plan. That's what we're doing. But I'm gonna do the vitals check and whatever before we head out. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. We're looking at 9.6 body fat percentage, 66.2 body weight percentage, 19.1 BMI for 136.4 pounds. So back up a little. You know, we weighed in a little low yesterday, but it's probably just because I didn't eat lunch at all. So it's probably because I didn't eat lunch at all. So it's good to see that I went back up my full pound or whatever. I've had this on for like 2 minutes, and once again, I don't know, it's just when I'm like up and about moving around, if it just has a hard time. Like maybe I just need to sit. Maybe I just need to sit and relax, and then maybe it will work. I don't know, because when I'm sitting downstairs editing, like the 2 times I've had to like try later, when I'm sitting down editing, I put it on in like 5 seconds. I have results. They just pop right up. So I don't know if I'm like moving too much, if I'm too active, while I'm trying to like take it while waving my hands around. I don't know if that's the deal. Although we're still not getting anything. I miss the days when this was just working. Oh, hi, Shy. Doing my foot? Pet with the foot. Pet with your foot. Indy's like, I want foot pet. Hello, Indy. Well, I don't think we're gonna get a number from this again, so I guess you will see another photo of me trying to do it later, like yesterday's video, and we'll just put that right here, right in front of me, so it'll be there. It'll be square, maybe not, maybe be rectangle unless I crop it, but you get the point. So I'm gonna give up on this because we need to head out, and I'll try to get a little film of the pizza I make over at my parents'. I'm probably not gonna film a ton though, because we'll be just hanging out as a family. I don't want to be rude. So if I don't film at all, have a great one. And here is a photo of the pizza I made. And if I do film, well, surprise, surprise, great for you. But if not, stay crispy. See, I've got a Mama Mary's mini crust, and then I'm gonna be using this maple bourbon barbecue sauce for my pizza sauce. I spread it. Spread sauce with the bottom of a spoon. It's the best way to spread sauce. Out on a pizza bun. And this one, just like that. And this one I'm gonna put, I got some smoked Gouda cheese, but that would be good with ribs. So we're just gonna put some smoked Gouda. that. Maybe a little more. And then we just gotta get the meat off these ribs. Maybe. So it's just gonna pull off. That didn't work. Got barbecue sauce all over myself. I guess I should have cut more. Just clumps of fat on the pizza though. I don't know. YOLO.
I was a cool mom, not me.
Yeah. You've always been a cool mom.
Was that?
Keep
What's the first year we did that? Was that Steve's birthday?
I'm not sure how old I was.
I think Grandma heard about it on the news or something. But you take 2 keeps and put them on a paper plate and you stick a toothpick in the front of them.
Use the rabbit.
And you put them in the
That'd be
microwave
really
and
cool.
then poof up. And then one of them will stab the other one. You know?
The goal is to see which one stabs the other one.
And then it'll deflate.
Stay crispy.
Thank you so much for watching. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and hitting that bell to turn on notifications. Also, if you're interested in supporting what I'm trying to do here, just go over to that Teespring store. The link is down below. There's the tank top, there's the cool fanny pack, the long sleeves tee, the women's comfort tee. You got the vinyl sticker, a hoodie, V-neck, and this sweet pillow. So just consider checking those out. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay crispy.
Put them up.
But what up?
Stop or I'll shoot.
I put my hands up to play my song, the butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah, moving my hips like yeah.